Well, hi there viewers, Princess Strawberry here. So in today's video, as you see, I dressed up a cat in a dog costume, and the cat's not too thrilled about it. Come here, Misery. You got the little hoodie off. You look so cute. Although Misery's a boy, I ordered this in a girl outfit. This is my stuffed animal dog, Buddy, and it fits perfectly on him. The cat's not too thrilled about it. Come here. Come on. What do you think of it? Is it pretty? We even have a Pikachu one. I might try if I can get it back on him. That's a face cloth. What do you think, Misery? You look adorable. You want the hood on? Oh, I'm gonna die of cuteness. The cat doesn't know what to think. Like, these are costumes and stuff for animals. This is actually a winter coat for a dog. It keeps them warm. It's not animal abuse in any way. Misery didn't even care that I put it on him. I just don't know what he thinks about it. Can you try walking around? Sorry, I kicked the plate. Oh. On the back, there it shows angel wings and his tail. There's a spot for his tail. Okay, so that's what he looks like in the angel one. We're going to try to attempt to go put him in the Pikachu one. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Was that so hard? No, I'm going to do this one. Really get the top button done. Misery. You probably get your foot through it. I got one through it.